Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Dalal Street Week Ahead program. And first, let us look at the global cues. Friday, the US non-farm payroll data, which came about 1 lakh less than expected. So, when this came at a lower number, the expectation of increase in the interest rate has gone down, and because of that, the US markets moved higher. And yesterday, Dow, S&P, Nasdaq all closed in green. And SGX Nifty indicating about 100-point gap up on Monday. So, local cues anyway has been very good. The FIIs keep buying in the cash market, even in F&O market. As of now, FIIs are holding 82% long in index futures. It was as high as 88% in the beginning of this month, but now it has come down to 82%. The news flow related to coronavirus has been very good, and every day the number of new cases reported keeps going down. And if you can remember, the last time during the wave 1, it was around 1 lakh. Now it is about 1.2 lakh. So probably in the next few days, it can fall below 1 lakh and slowly things may stabilize. And corporate results, so there are many mid-cap and small-cap companies are set to declare results in the coming week, and most of the large-cap companies have already declared the results. So the stock-specific action in mid-cap and small-cap may continue. We have already seen a lot of action in Muthoot Finance and Motherson Sumi like that. So they all came out with good results, shot up 10%, 15% like that. And last Friday, it was not only the Nifty, both mid-cap and small-cap also closed at the record high closing. And with a gap up of about 100 points on Monday, so we are likely to hit fresh all-time high in the coming days. There is not much economic data. So far, the economic data which came in the last 1 week has not been really very good. Manufacturing PMI was lower, services PMI was lower, and yesterday the GST collection, last month it was about 1.42 lakh crore, now it has come to 1.02 crore. So it's nearly 40% down, but probably this is a temporary blip because of coronavirus lockdown. And coming Friday, after the market hours, index of industrial production and consumer price inflation data will be coming out. And anyway, that impact will be seen only in the following week. And another good news is the huge foreign reserves. And RBI said the foreign exchange reserves is at $598 billion, which is just short of $2 billion for $600 billion. The higher the foreign exchange reserves, the probability of a stable currency is high. The currency may not come under speculative attack. So a stable currency is always good for stock market. And also the India VIX is inching towards 15. And you may remember I said 15 and below normally happens only in bull markets. So we are, who knows, we are already in a bull market. But is everything positive or not really? So India specific problems will always be there. Now the crude oil is at 2-year high. The Brent crude is above 70 rupees. And in some cities like Mumbai, the petrol prices has already crossed a psychological mark of 100. So there may be some kind of a profit booking because of these factors, because the higher crude oil is not good for India, as India is importing a lot of crude oil. So as of now, the higher crude oil seems to be the only headwind for our market. The coronavirus seems to be subsiding. And by looking at the open interest, for the next 1 week, so the markets are likely to trade between 15,500 and 16,000. And Bank Nifty once again started underperforming. And if you can remember, few weeks before I said, the top two stocks in India, Reliance Industries and HDFC Bank, both have not been performing well. And despite that, the markets have gone up. The markets have gone up because of broader market rally. And what will happen if these two stocks also start performing? And out of the two stocks which I mentioned, the Reliance Industries started performing. Reliance Industries shot up 15% in last 1 week. And that is why now we are at all-time high. And imagine HDFC Bank has its own problems. The net banking problem, RBI put some restrictions and so on. So let us say one day they come out with some good news. RBI permitted them or removed the restrictions. And just like Reliance Industries, let us say HDFC Bank moves 5 to 10%. Then the Bank Nifty will hit all-time high and Nifty will hit 16,000 surely. But whether all these things is going to happen or not, so that is anybody's guess. So for the time being, metals are doing very well, pharmas are doing very well. Even last 1 week, even the auto sector has started doing very well. Bajaj Auto, Hero MotoCorp, Maruti, they are all looking very bullish. So if Bank Nifty catch up, because the Bank Nifty has 1/3 weightage in Nifty. So if Bank Nifty catch up, if it starts moving higher, then the Nifty will move even higher. So for the time being, everything looking bullish, and the range for Nifty is 15,500 to 16,000. So rest of the things we will discuss next Sunday. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.